Hebei RooAoo New Material Technology Limited Company is located in Nangong City, Hebei Province, China, which has more than 4,000 square meters area. Accept small OEM and ODM order. The main products are slat wall panel, polyester acoustic panels, 3D acoustic panels, and felt pin board, which are new eco-friendly recycled material with acoustic. It exports to USA and Europe, most for example France, Germany, England, Netherlands, Poland. We also get some certificates of products, such as FSC, Fire Rated Certificate. Wood panels are ideal for both residential and commercial applications, from home interior design projects to restaurant refurbishments to significant scale hotel developments. Our PET acoustic panels have been carefully designed to effortlessly transform any space. The panels help to create an environment that is not only quiet but beautifully contemporary, soothing, and relaxing. We produce using only environmentally friendly materials. All of the materials are sourced from certified sustainable sources, a complete environmentally friendly product. We have professional packaging line equipment. All singe piece slat panel will do shrink foil packing. Then in carton and pallet, make sure the goods will not be damaged during shipping. RooAoo has own QC team. Quality can be guaranteed. RooAoo always takes quality first, and innovation is also important for RooAoo. Welcome to contact with us for more business.